Okay guys, so your kit for your twosie sample is here. Yay! But how the heck do you put these things on? Let's get started. So I put this nail polish on my nails Saturday night, guys. It is Tuesday. The color street's staying on pretty nice, but the nail polish is completely done. So we're gonna use our Color Street nail polish remover pads. Get rid of some of that nail polish. I'm only going to do one finger just to show you guys. And again, all of this is in your kit, so we're going to do the middle finger. And it is off. No more gold. Do this finger. Done as well. And with that pad, I'm pretty sure you could do your whole nail. So that's done. Get your orange stick, push back those cuticles just a little bit. Nail prep pad, just to make sure they're clean and to get rid of that nail polish. Remover. A little bit of that. And then the moment you guys are waiting for. The twosies. Coral Bay. Love this pattern. Match it to your nail. So we're going to go this way. And since I have short nail beds, guys, I can use one strip on both of my nails. First thing you're going to do is there is a clear part right up here that you're going to peel off. So there, clear part. Peel that off. Silver tab, grab it under, peel off as well. So now you have the whole strip in your hand. Match it to your nail. Let's bring that a little closer so you guys can see that. Push it on there. Make sure it's nice and smooth. Go all the way up. Find where your nail ends. Your fingernails kind of dig through it. There you go. And then on this side, pull the tab off. Other nail. Hopefully this isn't too bad on camera, guys. Sorry. And then these are a little fragile, so try and be careful when you're putting them on, because you don't want to tear it too much. Make sure that's nice and smooth on there. And then again, take your finger, kind of go through. Access. This is the full sheet. We want to keep that one. And then you see how I got a little frills there? That's where your nail file comes in, guys. I'm going to open this bad boy up. And I like that they come sealed, so you know no one's used it. And then very gently kind of go through. I like to do it in just one direction. Smooth it out. Do it on the other nail. Make sure you're kind of going in just one direction. Smooth it out. And there you go. They are on there. And then again, you guys can go back through, mess with the edges and everything and make it look all nice. Come on. I promise you they're on there. I don't know why my camera is not zooming. But I'll put a picture so you guys can see it more. There we go. There we go. So yeah. Quick, easy, simple. And they stay on there, again, for about a week or two. Not really chipping. Not really catching on anything. And I'll probably go back through again and make sure all of that is gone. Do you have any questions or you want some samples, let me know.